In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. This is Lubna Nadeem, and now in this session I will give you the demonstration on how to change your frequency in real time, change time duration in real time, and how to develop graphical user interface design for this. Now first of all we will look on the code to generate this. First this is the sampling frequency fs. You can choose the sampling frequency of your own choice, and this shows signal is equals to wave record 5 into fs shows that wave record function will return values to signal. It basically describes the input when the input taken by when the user speak. After this value is stored, and to remove the noise from this, small filter is applied. I have applied the low pass filter. It will remove noise simply. This is the code for first order filter design. This shows the equations for the filter, and now I have taken the frequency 500 Hz, and then this is the signal filtered. After filter signal is received passing through the filter by this simple command. And now the wave play. This is the command that is used to play the sound which the user speaks. And now finally the plot. Plot shows that first of all it will plot the time vector and the original signal plot, and then the signal that have been filtered. It shows the original signal with the red color and the signal that is filtered with the blue color. Now I run this function, and it shows that my name is Lubna Nadeem. So this shows that it is the graph. This is the original signal, and this is the signal which has been filtered. Now this was the code that was for the playing the your voice at the same frequency at which you speak. In order to shift or change the frequency, or you hear the voice that is different, here you change the sampling frequency value. Like fs, take this value, let's suppose 16,000, and then we save it, and now we play it. It will record, it will take input for 5 seconds, and then we find the difference. Now hello. Have you noticed the difference? The change in voice due to change in simply by changing the number of samples. Now if we increase the number of samples to, let's suppose, 44,000. Now observe. Hello. This shows that by simply changing the sampling frequency, you can change the voice of your own choice, and all this is dependent upon you. And at the same time you can also change the time to take the input. Now this is clear. Now we move towards the graphical user interface. I have developed this project. first of all I will show how this works, and then I will show the step-wise procedure to develop graphical user interface for this. We run this code. This is the simple graphical user interface. It shows two sliders, number 1 and number 2. This slider is for the same as I have to tell you about the change in the frequency and change in the time, and then the next slider is for the changing the sampling frequency. These are the edit boxes in which whatever you slide and scroll, it will display the value of the slider. These are two graphs for the original signal and the filtered signal. Okay, first of all, check it out. Now by clicking this, we will change the time to speak. Now, hello, 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 hello. Now 4.5 second record time, and then the signal which was original and filter signal display. Now to increase the time, let's suppose we want to increase the time, we change the value of the slider. Hello, 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 hello. This is the, now it has recorded the 9 seconds of the time, right? Now at the same time, we can also, by changing this slider value, we can change the voice as I have described previously. Now have a look on this also. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Have you noticed? Yes. It has taken 6,600 samples, and then it has changed the voice. Now I have, by default, I have selected 5 seconds of video. It take the video audio for the 5 seconds and then play it. Maximum, I have taken the slider from minimum value 0 to 44,000, but you can change your value according to your requirement. Now, hello, 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 hello. Now, as you keep on changing the value of the slider, the voice keep on changing, and you can change this to any value according to your requirement, and I have just given an example. Now, hello, 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 hello. Okay. Right. Now we will develop the GUI for this. For GUI, we will go to the Matlab command window, and from here, now as I have scrolled the slider, it is playing this again and again. Now here is the GUI. Create new GUI. First of all, resize it according to your requirement. As I have to plot axis on this, so I maximize its size. Now I have taken two sliders. Here is the slider. Click it, take it, and here. Simply take again the slider, here. In this, right? So, and by double clicking on this, you can change the property inspector of this. For the first, I have taken that minimum value and maximum value. You can change the minimum and maximum value from there. I have chosen 0 minimum value. Sorry, here is the minimum value. 0 minimum value and maximum value I have taken 30 seconds. You can change your value according to your own requirement. And this is the slider step. Slider step will determine the change in the value of slider when you click this or scroll it. By this 0.1%, I have chosen this for 0.15. So by one time clicking on the or scrolling the slider, it will shift the value 15%. It will shift slider 15%. Okay, but and we need to change only these two values. Okay, and from here you can change the font size and so on according to your requirements. Similarly, for this you can also change the different characteristics. And now I will show you my project. And here it was. I have developed, I have taken 2 sliders. These are the sliders and these are the characteristics. I have changed its maximum value to 30, minimum value to 0, slider step to 15%, right? Then static box is used, static text box. I have simply placed it over here and over here to display the value of 0 and 30. Now this will display the change in time, and this is the edit box. Here is the edit box. I have taken this edit box to show that the value will display the value. Now this will change the frequency, sampling frequency. Sampling frequency is from 0 to 44,000, and similarly I have checked